subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the latest tech updates from TechSole blog.
Realme has silently launched its new mid-range smartphone under V series in China called Realme V23i. Now let's take a look at the specifications of this smartphone. The Realme V23i features a 6.56-inch HD+ display with up to 90Hz refresh rate support. Under the hood, the phone is powered by MediaTek Dimensity 700 chipset, paired with Mali G57 MC2 GPU, and it packs with 4GB of RAM and 128GB of onboard storage with microSD expansion support. In terms of optics, the Realme V23i supports a dual camera setup in a rectangular module at the top left corner that includes a 13MP main camera along with the 2MP depth sensor, and for selfies it has 8MP camera under the water drop notch at the top center. The device comes backed by a massive 5000 mAh battery with 10W charging support, and it runs on Android 12 out of the box. Additionally, the smartphone also features a side-mounted fingerprint sensor for biometric authentication. The connectivity option on the phone includes dual SIM 5G, dual-band Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, GPS, 3.5mm headphone jack, and a Type-C charging port. The physical dimensions of the smartphone measures at 163.8 by 75.1 by 8.1mm, and it weighs around 185 grams. So now let's take a look at the pricing details of the smartphone. The Realme V23i has been priced in China at 1,999 Chinese yuan, and it is now available for purchase in the country in mountain blue and jet black color options. So what do you guys think of this Realme V23i smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below, and stay tuned to TechSole YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.